A lot of people are a little bit confused about their skin type and how do they find out what their skin type is. Well, we're predisposed genetically to what our skin type is, so that will come from your mum and your dad. It's something that we can't change, but we can certainly help towards changing a skin condition. So your skin type, if you want to find out, what I would personally suggest is just one night, clean the skin with your preferred cleanser and go to bed and allow the body to function on its own. Now, if you wake up with an oily skin, it's a little bit greasy and shiny, then you've probably got an oily skin. But if you wake up and it feels one size too tight, then you've got a dry skin. You maybe have a little bit of combination skin. But if all else fails, treat it as normal to sensitive, because that way you can't go wrong.